Welcome to Drive Inasia, your ultimate dynamics, your everything automotive, where passion meets precision on the road. Whether it's the latest models, in-depth reviews, or insights into the driving experience, we're here to fuel your enthusiasm. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new vehicles of 2025, the Ford Factory 5 pickup truck. Let's get started. In the ever-evolving world of pickup trucks, Ford has consistently been a front-runner, and with the 2025 Factory 5 pickup truck, they've once again raised the bar. This isn't just another truck, it's a game-changer in design, functionality, and performance. Built to cater to both the rugged needs of off-road enthusiasts and the refined tastes of urban drivers, this vehicle promises to deliver on every front. Let's talk about the design first. At first glance, the Factory 5 pickup truck makes a bold statement with its aggressive front fascia, sculpted lines, and robust stance. Ford has seamlessly blended modern aesthetics with a nod to its heritage, ensuring the truck appeals to loyalists and new fans alike. The LED headlights are sleek, yet powerful, while the wide grille and aerodynamic touches enhance both the look and functionality. This is a truck that demands attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's as versatile as the truck itself. Ford has pulled out all the stops when it comes to comfort, technology, and practicality. Premium materials dominate the interior with soft touch surfaces and meticulous craftsmanship throughout. There's an impressive infotainment system, powered by Ford's latest Sync technology, boasting a large responsive touch service that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Ford's own cloud-based services. The customizable digital instrument cluster adds another layer of sophistication, offering real-time data at a glance. One of the standout features of the 2025 Factory 5 pickup truck is its adaptability. Whether you're hauling equipment to a work site or heading out for a weekend camping trip, this truck has you covered. The cargo bed is both spacious and durable, with innovative storage solutions like built-in compartments and tie-down points. Ford has even included a power tailgate with remote functionality, making loading and unloading easier than ever. Now let's get into what really makes this truck special, the performance. Under the hood, the Factory 5 pickup truck comes with a range of powertrain options to suit different needs. There's a turbocharged V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, ideal for those who need serious towing capacity. For the eco-conscious driver, Ford is also offering a hybrid option, combining fuel efficiency with substantial power output. Both configurations come paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal performance in all driving conditions. What truly sets this truck apart is its off-road capability. With advanced features like Ford's terrain management system and trail control, you can tackle any terrain with confidence. The Factory 5 pickup truck also comes equipped with a high-strength suspension system, skid plates for added protection, and all-terrain tires that grip even the most challenging surfaces. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or muddy paths, this truck handles it all with ease. Safety has always been a priority for Ford, and the 2025 Factory 5 pickup truck is no exception. It's packed with an array of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies not only enhance safety, but also make driving more convenient, whether you're on the highway or maneuvering in tight urban spaces. Ford has also paid close attention to fuel efficiency, which is becoming increasingly important for today's drivers. The hybrid model offers excellent mileage, while the standard engines have been fine-tuned for optimal efficiency without compromising power. This balance ensures that you can enjoy the best of both worlds, capability and cost-effectiveness. For those looking to personalize their ride, Ford is offering a wide range of trims and customization options. From sportier aesthetics to rugged off-road enhancements, there's something for everyone. You can also opt for premium audio systems, upgraded upholstery, and additional tech features to make your Factory 5 pickup truck truly your own. Now let's talk about the driving experience. One of the first things you'll notice when you get behind the wheel is how smooth and responsive the truck feels. The steering is precise, and the suspension does an excellent job of absorbing bumps, ensuring a comfortable ride no matter the terrain. The sound insulation is also top-notch, making the cabin incredibly quiet, even at highway speeds. Overall, the 2025 Ford Factory 5 pickup truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation, quality, and performance. Whether you're a die-hard truck enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable and versatile ride, this truck ticks all the boxes. It's built to handle the toughest challenges while providing a refined and enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for joining us today on Drive Dynamics. If you're as excited about the 2025 Factory 5 pickup truck as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and everything you need to stay in the know about the automotive world. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring the road ahead.